what's up? It's your girl Kiera back at it with another video. I kind of want to do something new. I walked out with this amazing facial kit for washing my face. So yeah, but anywho, it's long overdue. Really excited to actually get started into it. Only thing I took off was my lashes, so I am going to be using the Clinique. So let me give y'all the tea. So here's my receipt. The Clinique Mini Balm. So this is the Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, which is for your makeup. So I'm trying to stay away from using wipes, like makeup removers, because though it's very convenient, it is not necessarily good for your skin. Do your research, don't jump on me. I've been doing my research and this is something I really thought about. So I still have a crap load of wipes, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna use them still. But I'm trying to get into the habit of using like a balm or something to take the makeup off without pressing it back into my skin, which is what the wipes do. So anyways, and this was $9.50. And then you have this all-in-one inclusive kit for my skin type, being dry, combination dry, normal, and oily. This is what best fit for me. So for the next person going in, it may be something, you may be a 4 or a 5 or a 1. It just depends. So let's stop mumbling and let's get into it. So first things first, I'm gonna start off by washing my hands. Start off with my balm. I went online and did my own research, and this is ranked the #1 balm remover for your makeup. So extremely impressed. So I'm really excited to get into this. Okay, so this is the finished result for the balm, and let's just say I'm extremely impressed. Yeah, that was extremely easy. Yeah, very impressed. Have the hardest time with liners, especially if I do like a very dramatic look. I have a really hard time with liners and things like that, so I have to use like 4 or 5 different, of the no-no wipes. Step 1 is going to be the liquid soap. It's mild. Then step 2 is the clarifying lotion. They want you to do it at least twice a day. It's a liquid exfoliator. Powerful enough to get the job done, but not too strong to where you can't apply it twice a day. So I'm going to try to do this for 2 weeks, twice a day. We'll see how that goes. And then we have the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. So we're gonna be real moisturized. Let's see. You definitely want to use a clean towel. You don't want any excess. The only makeup that I have left is what's in my hair, along with the hair products and things, but besides that, nothing. And I'm very pleased with that. So yeah. So now is the last and final step, which is the moisturizing, which is actually my favorite. A personal final touch, I am going to apply the Old Faithful, the classic Carmex. Keep like 2 or 3 of these on deck in every purse. In the car, in my room, yeah, I guess that's all for tonight, but I will see you guys